What are the top 5 benefits of being a Wolt partner? The first one, flexible scheduling and independence. As a Wolt courier, you have the freedom to choose when and how much you work. Whether you prefer delivering lunch, dinner, or late night hours, the Wolt Partner app allows you to go online and accept orders at your own convenience. The second one, transparent and fair compensation. Wolt provides upfront pricing for each delivery task, allowing you to see the earnings before accepting the order. This pricing model considers factors such as delivery distance, weather conditions, and peak hours to ensure fair compensation. Additionally, you are paid for the distance between your location and the pickup point, ensuring you're compensated for the entire journey. The third one, performance-based reward. Wolt offers a career rewards program that recognizes and rewards couriers based on their performance. Couriers are assigned to tier, blue, silver, or gold, based on metrics like completed deliveries and acceptance rate. Higher tiers come with additional benefits and bonuses, providing an incentive for consistent and efficient work. The fourth one, insurance coverage. Safety is a priority at Wolt. As a career partner, you're automatically covered by Wolt's accident and third-party liability insurance whenever you're online. This coverage includes protection against injuries sustained during deliveries and liability for damage caused to third parties, offering peace of mind while you work. The fifth one, user-friendly partner app. The Wolt Partner app is designed to streamline your delivery experience. It provides real-time updates on available orders, allowing you to pack your training and offer easy communication with customer support. The app's intuitive interface helps you manage deliveries efficiently, making your work more organized and predictable.